Hi, good morning, guys. My name is Vilma Carter. Today is the 4th of February 2024, and I'm doing a video about this website named Creative. So, and this here is advertising platform, and then adcreative.ai is the number one most used AI tool for advertising. Generate ad create from your competitors. So this website is for anybody that is an entrepreneur, any person in business, and if you have your own agency, a digital agency, own business, anything like that there. So any entrepreneur that out there want to do some advertising, this here can help you too as well. So you could this here website here can outperform your competitors because they have an AI driven um thing inside that can help you do your advertisement far more faster. So you could come and try out this website for free. Well, there are millions of creative generated every single day, powering the world's best advertising from startups led by solo founders to global enterprises. So I'm just doing a little review about what Ad Creative is all about. Letting you know what the website here is about. Ad Creative, come and check it out. Adcreative.ai. Top three fastest growing products in the world. Generate ideas that help you sell fast using artificial intelligence. In 2023, every single thing in digital marketing is optimized by artificial intelligence. Except creative, Ad Creative.ai is here to change that. To make data back result bring ad creatives accessible. So let you know it's all about. Up to 14 times higher conversion rate compared to creatives that are not data backed. Over 95% of users improve CTR. So this here is all-in-one. This is an all-in-one advertising powerhouse. Generate any asset, track competitors, and create reports all using AI. For generate creative, generate text and headlines. Come and join for free. Secret, but they have like a side model free trial, and then they have like different upgrades and stuff. Like they probably help you get more reach more people due to your advertising your products and services, whatever advertising your brand and stuff like that. See creative insight, generate social creative. So I do a lot of research about digital marketing and digital services. So as I do my research and I discovered lots of different things, I would make a YouTube video about it and just share my knowledge with you guys. So subscribe to my channel so that you'll become notified when I put out new videos. So you can see competitors ads, generate complete ad package, uh, get winning ad inspiration, generate video ads. You can even generate video ads with this here too as well. And generate product photos, photo shoots. Lots of people have joined us here. People from all over the world. You can join from anywhere in the world to become a part of this website. Generate our creative unlimited premium stock, AI stock assets. You can even train the AI, but it says why add creative. How artificial intelligence generate creative that convert so you can save time and money to scale. Check out why and how should you use ad creative. So they will teach you how to use ad creative and got better sense, super scalable, um, platform integrations, creative for collaborations. Good, we got like a text generator, see insight, white label ready. How does a creative collection, creative analysis, machine learning, creative generation? I see myself as a successful business person, right? I'm not gonna give up until I become have my own business and become successful. My goal, become successful, get into business for myself, and then teach others how to get into business for themselves. So they have the startups. Adcreative, who can use it? So startup, anybody starting a business, startups. You starting out your own new business, you have startups here, e-commerce, agencies, enterprises, generate adcreative. See results from day one. Pricing that pays for itself. Whenever you are a startup agency or an let adcreative pay for it on your first ad. These are the pricing plans. Get a free trial for 1 week. You come and try it out for 1 week. If you don't like it, you can cancel. You don't have to join. Just come. Then I have the starter plan, $21 a month, and I got 100 for this starter plan. Then I got the professional plans, $141 a month, and then I got the agency plans for $374 a month. Up to you. However your budget stand, you could join out whatever plan that you want. Do your advertising, get back some ad for your thing. Try to whatever brand or product you have to promote and sell to get more customers. They even have the frequent asked questions that you want answered. They have frequent asked questions so as improve your conversion rates, including copywriting and beautiful. That's a few things our clients love. What is a credit? Credits are what you use to download each creative or banner that you generate on our creative AI. Depending on the package you select, you will have a set number of credits available to you each month. These credits renew every month and can be used to download your generated creative advertising. How to create AI. Okay, let me just go back up and see what's going on here. So I did frequent asked questions. What are brands? Say what are brands? Click here and see what the answer your questions. Brands are foundation of your creative. You can come and get what it said. These are the frequent asked questions. What do you mean by unlimited generations? What are integrations? Then you come and click this plus sign here and it's going to give you the answer to this question. What is unlimited free stock images? Generator AI? What is Creative Insights Pro? What is the number of users? What is your refund policy? The refund policy? 100% refund policy. Something goes wrong, simply log into the application and speak with our support team in the live support chat. Most cases, we process refunds on the same day. So the number one most talked about generated AI for advertisers. Minimum effort, maximum attention. No detail skills necessarily. The outputs are great looking, helpful in our agency, game changer. Audible generated AI for advertisers. So come and check it for free. Scroll down, come and check out the website. Any business that want to do some advertising and get your get more clients, reach more customers and stuff like that. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel um as I make more videos about different digital products and services and different stuff like that. So thanks for watching again and subscribe to my channel and like my video. And that's about it for now. I will make more videos. Thanks for watching.